Hey guys, what's up? This is Jailus Creatives and welcome to my YouTube channel. For today's tutorial, I'm gonna teach you how to create this realistic glowing effect. So first, go to your image layer, click this icon to unlock the layer. Now choose any selection tool you want. For this tutorial, I'm gonna use a pen tool for a precise selection. Now just select the object you want to glow. Now right click, make selection and hit OK. Right click, make a selection and choose add to selection to create multiple selections. Now let's refine the edges by going to select and mask and change the smooth to about 60 and click OK. Control or Command J to duplicate your selected objects. Now add a solid color, go to adjustment layer, solid color, choose white and hit OK. Right click to this adjustment layer and create a clipping mask. Now hold Control key on your keyboard, click the layer 1, right click and merge both layers. Now convert this one to a smart object, right click and convert to smart object. Duplicate this layer by pressing Ctrl or Command J. Go to filter, blur and add a Gaussian blur of about 20 pixels and hit OK. Ctrl or Command J again to duplicate and double click Gaussian blur to adjust the pixels and change this to about 100 pixels and hit OK. Now to not get confused, let's rename this original layer. Let's use white object for the name. Now duplicate these two layers by holding the Control key on your keyboard and then hold the Alt key on your keyboard and drag it below the white object. Press Ctrl G on your keyboard to group these layers. Open your layer and change the blur of these layers. So the first layer, it's gonna be a 5 pixels and hit OK. The second layer, 10 pixels and hit OK. Now duplicate this one again, hit Ctrl or Command J, change the Gaussian blur, double click and put this to about 50 pixels. Duplicate again, change the Gaussian blur, put this to 100 pixels and click OK. Now to change the color of the glow, now close the group by clicking this arrow down. Create an adjustment layer, go to solid color and choose any color you want. For this, I'm gonna choose blue. Hit OK. Then right click and create a clipping mask. And to make it more realistic, let's add some highlights. Now click the background layer, click add adjustment layer, and go to brightness. Create a clipping mask and max the brightness. Now press Ctrl or Command I on your keyboard to invert the color. And use a soft brush by pressing B. Soft brush is hardness at 0%. Now lower your opacity and your flow. Make sure that your foreground and background color is white and black. And now, it's time to create some highlights. And let's add some blue to the highlights. Just click your background image again and create an adjustment layer and select hue or saturation. Create a clipping mask, click this icon and change this one to colorize. Now put this slider to blue. Increase the saturation and let's also increase the lightness. Now if you're satisfied with that, press Ctrl or Command I to invert the color. And now to create an overall effect, let's merge all these layers. So click your last layer, then hold Ctrl, Alt, Shift and E in your keyboard. Go to Filter and add some camera raw filter. And from here, you can adjust anything you want to make the image look better. And if you're satisfied, hit OK. Okay, so this is the before and this is the after. I really hope you've learned from this tutorial. Please hit that like button and click that notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, it would really help a lot. I think that's all and see you in my next video.